Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 2002R by New Balance and South Korean streetwear label This Is Never That in the grey colorway. It comes in an off-white box with red NB and black This Is Never That branding on the side and inside the lid. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in green NB and This Is Never That branded paper. No extra accessories are included, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. These released back in August 2022 as part of the 2022 Downtown Run 2-pack with the 1906R pair that shares a similar grey colorway but with brown staining for that aged look. This pair feels more like a general release with a simple grey nubuck and mesh upper with navy leather overlays. Subtle branding can be seen on its green insoles and lace tips. Still, what stands out about this release is the premium materials and classy collar blocking. The crackled leather plus suede accents feels top notch. Although the 2002R is more of a performance runner, this color blocking and materials gives it a smart vibe that I appreciate. Size-wise, I stay true to my US 10, which is a UK half size up at 9.5, and it feels really soft and wide foot friendly. Definitely my favourite 2002R release, do you agree? If you disagree, comment your favourite 2002R release down below. As usual, purchase links will be in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment downtown to show me you enjoyed the video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Did you miss out or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.